Hi, and welcome to the inspiration and reference sections of this Notion template. Here is a place to create your own boards of inspiration, of resources, of sketch, of whatever it is you want to collect and visualize to help you along your artistic process. A lot of times we can get as inspired by different colors, textures, types of work, genres, and it's a great place to have digitally to collect it, take photos and drag it from your mobile phone, or find photos and inspiration online. While there are platforms like Pinterest, which you can directly import into Notion, we wanted to create an in-house system where you can directly collect and journal about different things that inspire you and keep a track in all one place. So to start off, click the Add Inspiration and Reference board. Here you'll create a new board. It will start off and ask you for a board name, a place for an idea of your description, and then have you drag and drop different elements and features into here. So you can drag photos in, you can upload them directly from your computer. Here we have an example of green pieces. So for example, if you're really inspired by the color green and the way it changes in different materials, you can create a visual board of the different elements and images that you really connect with and inspire you. As you grow, you will find your own ways of really note-taking and exploring different pieces ideas. So as you find yourself adding new elements to these pages, you can always come over here to the Add Inspiration and Reference board, click the settings, go down to board name, and then edit your template here, adding different features, colors, questions, and elements to make this really the best inspiration board that really fits you.